Well, we're getting ready to get us a fire going here. We got her heating up a little bit. We're going to cook a sausage, egg, and cheese casserole this morning. So anyway, some of you may call it a mountain man breakfast, but we're going to get her going. We're going to get her fire going, and we'll get back at it here in just a minute. Well, we got our fire going here real good. Got us some charcoal going down here, some good coals going and everything. And I'm gonna get ready. I got about a pound of sausage, and then I've got about a pound of summer sausage in here. So we're gonna get that on the fire and let it start cooking down. Set that dude right down in there. Now you don't need any grease for that because your sausage is going to produce grease. So we're going to get some coals on burning down there a little bit, and we'll be back with you here just shortly. Yeah, we got that sausage in there, both of them, summer sausage and just regular pork sausage. And got her in the old 10-inch Dutch oven, 12-inch Dutch oven. Sitting down there on some good old hot coals. We got some more fire going there to make more coals to put on top here in a little bit, but we're gonna let this sausage cook down real good and brown it up. Next thing we'll do after that, we'll take and pull that sausage out of the skillet, leave the grease in it, and then we'll add our green bell pepper and onion to it. Got a little garlic, green bell pepper, and what else did I put in that? Of course, I got some cubed up potatoes I'm going to put in there also, and then we'll add the eggs here in a little while and cheese, and we'll have us a good old sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast casserole, also known as Mountain Man breakfast, folks, for Cast Iron Wednesday. So here we go. Hold on, we'll be back in a minute. Oh yeah, it's just starting to fry up real nice now. Chop that up a little bit. Be long, we'll have this ready. We can pull this, so we'll let that go, and we'll be right back here with you in just a second. All right, well, we got the sausage out and got it in a bowl here. We're gonna let that drain down a little bit, and then I took and put my green bell pepper and my onion, my garlic. Oh, I know what else was in that, was a little bit of jalapeno, and then of course I got my potatoes in there. They're just cut up in about half-inch cubes, maybe 1-inch cubes or so. And so we're going to let those cook down, and then we'll come back, and what we'll do, we'll add this back in with the sausage on top of that, and then we'll add our eggs, and then we'll let them set real good, and then we'll put our cheese on there and let that set. And so we'll be back here in just a minute. All right, well, we take the lid off here and look at these. I'm going to give these a quick stir here. Oh yeah, they're stewing down nicely. Anyway, we'll let them cook on up, cook that water out of them taters and everything. Let this brown up real nice and pretty, and we'll come right back and share this with you. You know, before I go, I know I'm kind of nervous and everything on this video. My wife had to take a friend of ours down to the hospital today and have surgery, and it seemed to be just a normal, I guess you could say, just a routine type surgery. Well, it ended up, it's not routine at all. Matter of fact, they've kept her and she's in ICU, and she's septic is what they call it, which we know is very dangerous. So, you know, if you guys are watching this video, hey, you know, Mr. Cast Iron just asking a favor from you, just to lift her up in prayer if you believe in prayer, and just keep her in your thoughts and prayer, and we certainly appreciate it. We'll be right back here in just a little bit. All right, well, we got these taters cooking down pretty good. They're starting to brown up like I like them, so I'm gonna leave them alone, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this sausage back in there and give that a quick stir, kind of incorporate all that together. then I'm going to take and add my eggs on top of that. If I can do this all by myself here, it's kind of hard to do. Anyway, we'll just take and drizzle these eggs over the top of this. Like that right there. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we'll go ahead and get the lid on this and put some charcoal up on top of it, and we're going to let this set and bake for about 30 minutes, and we'll be back with you here in just a second, okay? Alright, well, it's been about 15 minutes. I want to take and check this because, I mean, it's a hot fire, so, oh yeah, them eggs are done. Let me see here. Oh yeah. Alright, well, these eggs are already set up, so I'm going to take and add a little sprinkled cheese to this and let that set up for a few minutes. Just going to take me a handful here. Now, if you've noticed, I didn't add any salt to this. I added pepper in my egg mixture earlier, but I didn't add any salt, and the reason why is because that sausage and all this cheese has extra salt in it, so you know you got to be careful about that or you'll over salt this. And so anyway, we're going to set that on there and let that cheese melt down on there, and we'll be back here in a minute and show you what this looks like. Alright, well, it's been about 5 or 6 minutes with this cheese, so let's take this lid off and see if that's, oh yeah, that's melted right on down in there. Let's get a look at that now. Alright, let's get a slab of that and put in that bowl. Look at that gooey cheese and then potatoes in there, my goodness. Oh yes sir, I'm talking about. That is nice. Look at that cheese sticking to my spoon there. Get that lid back on this dude here. Go ahead and get ready and pull this out of the fire. And just wanted to show you what this looks like here after it's done. That's sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast casserole right here. Also known as Mountain Man Breakfast for Cast Iron Wednesday. Hey, it's Mr. Cast Iron over here. We appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great day. If you like what we're doing, hit the like button, or if you don't like what we're doing, hit the dislike button. If you hadn't subscribed to our channel, we'd love for you to subscribe to us, and we'll be coming back to you soon again. You guys have a great day. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron.